In this video, you will learn how to close an open port in Ubuntu. We'll keep it simple and straight to the point. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and T on your keyboard. Now, you need to find which ports are open. To do that, type this command, sudo ss tone. This shows all active listening ports. Look at the local address column to find the open ports. Now let's say you found an open port you want to close. The next step is to find which service is using it. Type this command, sudo lsof, port number. Replace the port number with the actual port number. This shows the process ID and the service name. Once you find the name of the service, you can stop it. Use this command, sudo Systemctl stop service name. Replace service name with the actual name you saw earlier. If you want to make sure it doesn't start again after a reboot, disable it using this command, sudo Systemctl disable service name. If everything worked, the port should no longer be listed. That's how you close an open port in Ubuntu. Always make sure you only close ports for services you don't need. Thanks for watching.